my friends, welcome to another episode of BarryTsGarage. We are headed off to see Ed Smith at 5-Star Engines. He's agreed to take on that V12 rebuild, and we're going to deliver a few parts he needed that we didn't get him, and just talk to him about some options and bring you along. Thanks for coming.
I don't know what you're going to do with that.
According to legend,
I don't know. I can't say. This shorter one may hit the cutter.
This is made for Zephyr
Oh,
by a guy in the Zephyr club.
okay.
Here's your.
I don't know why you would make a
Well, it's just
shorter one. I have no idea.
I don't either, except that this is the only thing that was available, I think. And it's got a bigger. Same.
Yeah.
You got your a knife. Where's my knife?
You had it.
Oh, here it is. I got it. There's a great story between Ed and I about 80 machines.
Oh yeah.
He's been a dealer for like 120 years.
Yeah.
So I call up there, and so I say, well, can I use Ed Smith's discount? And he said, well, I don't know, I guess. And I paid for it, but I used his name.
Right.
And Ed got wind of that.
Yeah.
No, he sent me an invoice.
Did he really?
Iggy did.
For my stuff?
A copy of this thing here.
Oh, he sent you a copy.
That's what they sent me. I said, who the hell bought this stuff?
Yeah. So he thinks I'm stealing from
His
him.
home address. His home address.
Which is where everything goes.
I says, what the hell is this?
Boy,
So
you
I
could
knew
have
what
heard
it
that
was.
conversation.
I knew what it was. I called him up and said, what are you doing?
You know, Ed seems like an easygoing guy. He can be different than that.
He can get in your grill if he needs to, right?
Get right up in your grill. Yeah, that's
You
right.
can't do that because
I felt like crap because I thought, oh, geez, what did I do?
Right.
Didn't need to do that. Here's our two choices for the doctor. These are.
I see.
I want you to look at these. And remember, my knowledge is extremely limited. So.
See, these are adjustable.
And are these solids?
Yeah, sure, yeah, solid.
Okay, so are you saying we could use them?
Yeah.
All right, so we.
But they'll leak down in the engine. Because see, those,
Now, what does that mean?
these oil like a Chevy, oil right through all the lifters.
Oh,
Oil passage.
is that bad?
And that oils these.
Uh-huh. So are you saying these have an oiling problem?
No,
These-
just wait. So these are oil. Okay.
Okay.
So the oil goes right through these lifters as it goes up past this hole.
Okay. Oh, I got
And
you.
pumps the oil in here.
All right.
Now if I put these in,
Yes.
they drop lower, and the oil pressure goes in here, comes out here, and goes in the oil pan.
Okay.
It
So it
oils
still
the very
works.
first lifter. No, don't oil the rest of them.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
No,
So how do you oil them?
just plug that oil.
So there is a way to do it.
Well, Flatheads use these,
Okay.
and they use a splash system.
Oh, I see.
It just
splash the
splashes
up
oil
on it.
everywhere, yeah. And the oil's just fine.
So how do we make these oils? The solid.
Splash system, like the Flathead.
How do we do that?
Just let it flash. Yeah, it's going to splash anyway.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm sorry.
This is a pressurized.
This is just a better.
This is a pressurized for the lifter.
This is a more modern type of lifter because it's got oil pressure going. So
Yeah,
this
pressure.
just relies on splash.
And this
oil.
is splash.
Okay. So if we're not going to drive it a million miles, this will do solids are fine.
That's what we did the last one.
Okay. Well, and you're okay with the Snyder cam thing? 'Cause-
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, I'm going to let you interface with them because I don't know anything about it. So would you mind calling Snyder and
I will, yeah.
get the highest lift cam we can go with?
Okay.
These are the heads that I was able to find. You wanted. I only had one.
Yeah, I have one done right there. That's the one.
Look at that. Let's get a look at
So,
that. Oh boy. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Surface. See,
there's your cam head done, see?
look at that. Wow. Now see, this will polish up.
Yeah.
And you see the number on that. This is the 38 head. Flip it over. That 8 is the year of the car, or 38. 8, that means 38 Zephyr.
Okay.
Yeah, well, it says Zephyr.
Doesn't matter. They're all the same. But I mean,
Yeah.
if you're doing a high point, yada yada, car, then
Yeah.
you worry about stuff like that.
That's real.
I don't worry about that.
So
All
I
right,
need,
so you need the opposite
so I have
side.
this in here. Just like that one, isn't it?
Let's-
Yeah, I don't
That's
need
the
that
same
one.
Well, here's my question. While we're doing all this, is it a way to get another set of heads out of this whole thing for the
Yeah,
next
maybe,
motor?
yeah,
I just thought I'd better bring them and see if you're
yeah.
okay
We'll
with
just
doing
machine them all.
it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the one you really need, though, is
That
that
one
one.
there.
That one. Now, this one looks pretty good. But
Yeah,
that's subject to your...
yeah. Okay, that's okay. We'll glass beat it.
Okay. It looks pretty
Looks
decent,
good,
doesn't it?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right. So maybe we'll get 2 sets of heads.
Please. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. These are getting really tough to find. I used to be able to buy them for nothing. Now I can't buy them at all. Okay, so we got cam bearings. Is there anything else you're going to be needing that I can be thinking
No,
about?
because I put the cam bearings in it and do whatever I'm going to do
Ooh,
with
there's
it.
the... God, look at this. Wow. Check it out. It's coming out
Is it the
nice.
same block?
No, it doesn't look like
Yeah.
it. It's Smithitized.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Look at those valves look big, man. Are they just me or?
Oh, it's just that way. She's got a broken bolt right there.
Yeah. Okay.
You
Do we
fix
care?
that?
Or?
I'll get it out. I have to do that.
Yeah.
I haven't really looked at it that much.
Okay. Now, what does this tag mean, Ed? Do you have any
I have
idea?
no idea what that
That's the
tag is.
aftermarket thing, isn't it? Some
I
other
think
builder.
it's some of the builder, yeah.
Yeah.
See if you can look at it, see what it says.
You got to put paint on it or something.
Well, we'll put
Wipe
some.
it off.
What's it say on there?
Okay.
It's kind of hard to find that.
Is it really? Huh?
Well,
Not an easy part.
you have to have the old one.
What?
I knocked it out.
Oh, I see. But
I
mean,
knocked
what-
that one out and I bought a new one.
Okay. So I owe you for that.
Yeah, I got on the ticket.
Oh, good. Let's keep them all together. I don't need to have it.
You're not going to take this.
Okay. This goes home.
You want to keep this with this?
Well, if it's flywheel stuff, then it should stay with the flywheel.
There you go.
Crankless is in there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
beautiful.
It's got to be interference fit.
Yeah, you keep that in your.
Can I try to call Merv right now? You can tell him what crank we need.
Yeah.
Try to put 2 great forces together. Sometimes hard. Hey, Merv. How you doing?
There you go.
I'm here with our engine
Don't let that
builder,
fly away.
and I finally got the 2 of my favorite people in the same room on the phone. And he's going to tell you what crank we need. Yeah, you know, we got apparently the wrong crank when I picked up that one motor, so we need to get the correct one. Well, it's not wrong with it. He says it's a different one. He's going to explain it to you. This is Ed. He's standing right here. You remember Ed, the engine builder? Okay, cool. Well, he's going to tell you. I don't speak crank. Okay. I just don't. You know I'm not that smart, Merv. Come on. All right. I rely on you 2 guys. All right. Here's Ed. He's going to explain what he needs.
Hi, I've talked to you once before, I think. What we got here is a crank that does not take a rear seal. Well, this in here, I have a block here that takes a rear seal. This block here has a half moon aluminum, goes in there and it has a rope seal in it. This block has 2 of those aluminum half cups with the rope seals. Now I have 1 of those cups and I need 2 of them. One of them goes in the main cap. This one does not have any slingers on the rear main cap. On the crank it's got 2 slingers. I have 1 of them here I borrowed from him, but I need 2 of them, 2 of those aluminum caps, but this crank still won't go in there. There's no place for that rope seal to touch this crank. We did that once before. We turn our own cranks. So I've turned one of those cranks before for that seal. Okay, send me those 2 things. Send me those 2 things and then and I'll grind the crank. All right? Yeah, the block is made for the rope seal. Okay? Okay. So that's what we need. The block and the main cap is made for a rope seal. 2 of those aluminum half circles. The block and the block main cap and the block are made for those. So I need those 2, and we'll fix the crank. Okay? Okay, good. Okay. All right, thanks.
All right, that was admittedly a quick visit. However, it still is progress, and we were happy to bring you along for some of it. We can't show you all the steps of that 12 rebuild because it's just happening in bits and pieces along the way at Ed's convenience. So we just can't be there for the whole thing, but we'll show you as much as we can, and we will let you know how it goes. Thanks again for subscribing and watching. Appreciate you.